In this busy world, we deal with colors every day. There is one kind of company that adds infinite color and beauty to this world with their intelligence and passion. That's PCOTEC, a dynamic and creative painting company. Our story began many years ago with a passionate and visionary founder who had a simple dream to create the best paint in the world. That dream has become a reality after decades of hard work and innovation. We believe that quality is the source of business life. Our products undergo strict quality control to ensure that each product meets the highest standards. We are committed to developing and producing environmentally friendly products. Our products are certified by such as ROSE, ASTM 963, REACH, our manufacturing facilities certified by and 14001, 2015, and ISO 9001, 2015, and IATF 16949. We are not only a coatings manufacturer, but also an innovator. Our R&D team is constantly exploring new technologies and materials to ensure that our products remain at the forefront of the industry. Every step of our growth is dependent on the trust and support of our customers. We always work closely with our customers to understand their requirement and provide professional solutions. Looking to the future, we will continue to uphold the concept of innovation, quality, and environmentally friendly, and continue to explore new era, so that we can create a better tomorrow together.